Every living room has a center, not always loud, but always grounding. Sometimes it's a couch, sometimes a light, but often it's a coffee table, the silent stage where life gathers. When that table is made of wood and metal, something remarkable happens. Two elements, opposites by nature, learn to coexist. Warmth and strength, texture and precision is a quiet negotiation between earth and industry. The wood carries history, each grain, each knot, a trace of time. It feels alive, like it has stories to tell, if only you pause long enough to listen. The metal beneath it, cool and exact, speaks a different language of structure, endurance, and purpose. Together, they balance each other, the way contrast gives shape to beauty. You could call it partnership. The wood says feel, the metal says stand. And in their dialogue, the table finds its character. A wooden coffee table with a metal base doesn't scream for attention. It asserts itself through balance. It is not rustic, not purely modern. It floats in between, adaptable, timeless. It is the kind of piece that doesn't just decorate a room, it defines a rhythm. Think of how it works in daily life. The clink of a coffee mug, the weight of a book, the glow of morning light catching its surface. The warmth of wood absorbs that light, softens it. The metal reflects just enough to remind you of the precision of design and discipline. That interplay, matte and sheen, warm and cool, is what keeps the eye engaged. Even when no one's around, the table feels composed, like a thought made tangible. There is symbolism too. Wood, the organic, imperfect, evolving human. Metal, the engineered, linear, rational, deliberate. Together, they are a portrait of how we live now, searching for harmony between the natural and the constructed. You might notice how the metal base elevates the wood slightly, lifting it just off the ground. That small distance gives the table lightness, a sense of poise. Its design tells you even strength can be graceful. And when your hand runs across the top, the texture of oak or walnut, maybe reclaimed timber, you feel the subtle resistance of real material. That is authenticity, not perfection, not polish, but presence. Every mark, every joint, every subtle weld underneath carries the maker's intent. This is design with honesty, no pretending to be more than it is. Wood is wood, metal is metal. Each retains its truth, and that is precisely why it works. There is a certain kind of peace that radiates from objects like this. Not the sterile piece of minimalism, but the soulful claim of proportion, of opposites in conversation. Imagine it. Morning light spills across the floor, catching the edges of the frame. A stack of books, a cup of coffee, a small plant. Nothing extravagant. Yet, the scene feels complete because the foundation, the table, anchors it all with quiet confidence. That is what this piece really does. It anchors. It says, this is where life slows down. Conversations, pauses, thoughts, all orbit around it. It is the still point in a moving home. Over time, the metal base will gather tiny scratches. The wood will deepen in tone. They will age differently, one oxidizing, one darkening, but they will grow more beautiful together. That is the poetry of mixed materials. They evolve, they record your living. In a world that loves symmetry, the wooden metal coffee table reminds you that balance isn't about sameness. It's about relationship. The natural needs the engineered. Beauty, like life, lives in the tension between them. So when you sit down in front of such a table, maybe your morning coffee or in the silence after guests have left, notice what it represents. It is not just a surface, it is a philosophy of coexistence. So until next time, happy decorating.